we are using a needle which is number 16. This is because we're using a thread that we call here in the Philippines the ragged thread. This is really used for denim pants or any thick fabric for maybe curtains, and the regular thread is the one that's thinner. First, we will pin together the back yoke to the back part or leg of the pants. We start with the both ends of the sewing lines first. Then we pin the inside sewing lines between the ends of the sewing lines. Now we are ready to sew together the yoke and the leg of the pants. Again, we lock stitch the edge of what we're sewing. We also lock stitch the other end. This time we're pinning the other side of our pants pieces. Again, we pin first both ends of the sewing lines before we pin inside both ends of the sewing lines. Okay, we lock stitch the start of our sewing. And we also lock stitch the end of our sewing. After sewing together the yoke and the leg of the pants, we will cut the excess sewing allowance and leave 3/8 of an inch or 1 centimeter. Okay, we will be doing the same for the other side of the back leg of the pants. Now we will finish the edge of our sewing allowances by using our overlock machine. Okay? Since we have transferred machine, we might as well finish all the edges that needs to be run through by the overlock machine. Now we will finish the top side of the patch pocket. Now we will finish the bottom side of the outer facing of our slide pocket. Now we will finish the edge of our fly front placket. This is the placket with the round edge. Now we will finish the edge of our fly underlock placket. Now we will finish the sides of our belt holders. Okay, now we will be top stitching the yoke. We will fold the sewing allowance on the side of the yoke. From the seam of the yoke and the leg of the pants, we will do the top stitching 1/8 of an inch or 0.3 centimeters away from the seam. Just sew over the fold and don't pull the seam as shown by the sewer. Just use your fingers to flatten the fold of the yoke. do the top stitching on the other side of the pants. We will double stitch the top stitching, and we will use this side of the presser foot as our guide to keep our distance of the double stitch more or less evenly spaced.